Today I'm going to be reviewing the MapMyRun website. You can either use MapMyRun as an application on your smartphone or you can use it on the computer. I primarily use MapMyRun on my smartphone and I sometimes log it on the web page right here. MapMyRun has several different features. You can create a route that you run often. This route right here I run almost exclusively at home. Or you can log a workout, log what you've had to eat, and you can create a distance running goal or another workout goal. I just use the basics of MapMyRun to create routes and also to figure out my mile times, my half mile times, and my split paces and such. So let's figure out how to create a route. So we're going to go ahead up here and we're going to click on Create Route. It's going to take a second to load. All right, this is my neighborhood back at home. And let's say I'm getting kind of bored of the route that I typically do, so I want to create a new route. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here, which is where my house is, right? We're going to double click, and that's where our route starts. And instead, I want to go the other way. So I'm going to go ahead, and that's where it starts, and I'm going to go ahead and click right here. That's another checkpoint before the turn, and I'm just going to continue to double click as I make a loop all the way back to my house. And then you can save it, and then in your application on your smartphone, you can save it as a name and say, I want to do the Dayton Street loop. So let's go back to the homepage of MapMyRun. And so like I said, I also sometimes use it to create goals. So this week, I already created a goal that I wanted to run 18 miles this week, so it's about 3 miles a day. And you can essentially choose your activity and then type it in and then create the goal. And then you can also log the workouts. So once you have the application downloaded on your smartphone and you use it while you're running, you can enter the information on here. So you also have a log on the website as well as on your smartphone, which I think it's a lot easier to look at the information on the computer just essentially because it's a bigger screen. So let's go back to the home page right here. And there is some other features that I don't use. These are mainly the features that I use. You can also import workouts, but the downside to importing workouts, let's go ahead and look at that real quick, is that you have to have another app or a Fitbit or something to import the workouts, and I just think that's too confusing, and you should stick to the basics. Because essentially what MapMyRun is helpful for is to creating a healthier lifestyle, and if you are spending too much time planning your run, then you're never going to get out there and run. Yes, planning and varying your workouts is important, but the most important part is actually getting out there and doing it. And what MapMyRun helps you with is it helps you track your improvement, and that I think is the most important thing.